Welcome to our exploration of the District of Columbia, the heart of the United States, a place where the wheels of government turn and decisions that shape the world are made. But beneath the bustle of political life, another world exists. A world of vibrant green spaces, tranquil waterways, and a surprising diversity of life. Today we'll uncover the natural beauty hidden within this bustling urban landscape, revealing the unexpected havens for wildlife and humans alike. Our journey begins in the heart of the city, on the National Mall. This expansive green space stretches over 2 miles from the Capitol building to the Lincoln Memorial, offering a serene escape amidst the urban hustle. This iconic stretch of green, flanked by museums and monuments, is a place where history and nature intertwine. The Smithsonian museums lining the mall house countless artifacts that tell the story of America's past. It is more than just a symbol of American democracy. It is a living, breathing ecosystem. The American flags fluttering in the wind remind us of the nation's enduring spirit. It's a living, breathing ecosystem. The mall is home to a variety of wildlife, from squirrels to birds, creating a vibrant natural habitat in the midst of the city. The Lincoln Memorial, a temple to a nation's resilience, stands watch over the reflecting pool. This iconic structure, dedicated to the 16th President of the United States, symbolizes unity and strength, its waters reflecting the sky and the hopes of those who visit. The reflecting pool serves as a mirror, capturing the dreams and aspirations of millions who come to pay their respects. The Washington Monument, a towering obelisk piercing the sky, casts a watchful eye over the mall. This 555-foot marble structure honors the first President of the United States, George Washington, a silent guardian of the city's history and its natural beauty. The monument stands as a testament to the nation's founding principles and the enduring legacy of its leaders. Walk among the elms and the oaks, their leaves rustling in the breeze. These majestic trees provide shade and a sense of peace, inviting visitors to pause and reflect. And you'll find a sense of tranquility that belies the city's bustling heart. The National Mall offers a sanctuary where one can escape the noise and chaos of urban life. Squirrels scamper among the trees, seemingly unfazed by the crowds. These playful creatures add a touch of whimsy to the landscape, delighting visitors of all ages, while birdsong fills the air, a symphony of nature amidst the city's hum. The chirping of birds creates a harmonious backdrop, blending seamlessly with the sounds of the city. The National Mall is a testament to the enduring power of nature. It is a place where people come to connect with the natural world and find solace in its beauty, a green oasis in the heart of a concrete jungle. The National Mall stands as a reminder that even in the midst of a bustling city, nature can thrive and provide a refuge for all who seek it. We venture now to Rock Creek Park, a 1,700-acre testament to the wild spirit that endures even in the most urban of landscapes. Here, towering trees form a verdant canopy, filtering the sunlight and casting dappled shadows on the forest floor. The air is alive with the sound of birdsong, a chorus of trills and chirps that echo through the trees. Deer, their coats the color of fallen leaves, move silently through the undergrowth, their eyes watchful for any sign of danger. Follow the winding trails that crisscross the park and you'll discover hidden streams, their waters gurgling over moss-covered rocks. This is a place where the city fades away and the rhythms of nature take over. Rock Creek Park is a sanctuary for both wildlife and humans, a reminder that even in the heart of a metropolis, the call of the wild still resonates. Chapter 3. A watery wonderland, Kenilworth Park and Aquatic Gardens. Our journey takes us now to a hidden gem, a secret garden tucked away from the city's hustle and bustle. Kenilworth Park and Aquatic Gardens. Nestled in the heart of Washington, D.C., this park offers a serene escape from the urban chaos, a place where nature reigns supreme and tranquility is the order of the day. Here the world transforms into a watery wonderland, a tapestry of ponds, marshes and streams. Each water body teems with life, creating a vibrant ecosystem that supports a diverse array of flora and fauna. The gentle murmur of flowing water and the rustle of reeds in the breeze create a symphony of natural sounds that soothe the soul. The air is thick with the scent of water lilies, their white blossoms floating on the surface of the ponds like stars scattered across a velvet sky. These delicate flowers not only add to the visual beauty of the park, but also play a crucial role in maintaining the health of the aquatic ecosystem. Dragonflies, their wings shimmering in the sunlight, dance above the water. Their aerial acrobatics a marvel to behold. These agile insects are not just a delight to watch, they're also important predators that help control the population of mosquitoes and other small insects. Turtles bask on logs, their shells gleaming in the sun, while frogs croak from the reeds, their voices a chorus of contentment. These creatures, along with many others, find a safe haven in the park's protected environment, thriving in the lush green surroundings. But the true stars of this watery haven are the lotus flowers. These magnificent blooms, with their large, vibrant petals, are a symbol of purity and beauty. Rising above the murky waters to bask in the sunlight, their pink and white blossoms rising from the depths on slender stalks are a sight of exquisite beauty. Each flower seems to tell a story of resilience and grace, standing tall and proud amidst the tranquil waters. Kenilworth Park and Aquatic Gardens is a testament to the delicate balance of nature, a reminder that even in the most unexpected of places, life finds a way to thrive. It is a sanctuary where visitors can reconnect with the natural world, find peace in its beauty, and be inspired by the resilience of the life that flourishes here. Chapter 4: Reflections of the City, the Tidal Basin. We come now to the tidal basin, a serene expanse of water that mirrors the city's grandeur and its tranquility. This man-made reservoir, nestled between the Potomac River and the Washington Channel, is a beloved landmark in the heart of Washington, D.C. The Washington Monument, reflected in its placid surface, seems to float on the water, its image shimmering in the afternoon sun. This iconic obelisk, standing tall and proud, is a symbol of the nation's history and resilience. Weeping willows dip their branches into the water, their leaves trailing like fingers across the surface, creating ripples that spread outward in concentric circles. These gentle ripples remind us of the interconnectedness of nature and humanity, but it is in the springtime that the tidal basin truly comes alive. As the weather warms, the area transforms into a vibrant tapestry of colors and scents, drawing visitors from near and far, for it is then that the cherry trees, a gift from Japan, burst into bloom, their branches laden with a profusion of pink and white blossoms. These blossoms, delicate and ephemeral, symbolize the fleeting beauty of life. The air is filled with the sweet scent of cherry blossoms, and the ground beneath the trees is carpeted in a blanket of pink. This enchanting scene creates a dreamlike atmosphere, inviting visitors to pause and reflect. The tidal basin is a place of peace and reflection, a place where the city's energy seems to dissipate, replaced by a sense of quiet contemplation. Here, amidst the natural beauty, one can find solace and inspiration. Families stroll along the water's edge, children play under the cherry trees, and couples sit on benches, taking in the serene views. The tidal basin is not just a place of beauty, but a gathering spot for people to connect and create memories. As the sun sets, the tidal basin takes on a different kind of magic. The sky is painted in hues of orange and pink, and the water reflects this stunning display, creating a tranquil and mesmerizing scene. At night, the tidal basin is illuminated by the soft glow of city lights, casting a serene and almost mystical ambience. It is a place where the past and present coexist, where history and nature intertwine. Under the starry sky, the tidal basin becomes a haven for those seeking a moment of peace and reflection. The moon's reflection on the water adds to the sense of tranquility, making it a perfect spot for quiet contemplation. Chapter 5: A Living Museum, the National Arboretum. Our final destination takes us to the National Arboretum, a 446-acre living museum of trees and plants from around the world. Here, towering conifers from the Pacific Northwest stand shoulder to shoulder with delicate Japanese maples. A stroll through the Arboretum is a journey through the world's diverse ecosystems. The air is filled with the scent of pine needles, the sweet fragrance of magnolias, and the delicate perfume of roses. The Arboretum is a haven for birds, their songs filling the air. Woodpeckers hammer at tree trunks, their rhythmic tapping echoing through the woods. Hummingbirds, their iridescent feathers flashing in the sunlight, flit from flower to flower, their tiny wings a blur of motion. The National Arboretum is a testament to the beauty and diversity of the natural world, a place where visitors can learn about the importance of conservation and the interconnectedness of all living things. Ultra Nature's enduring presence. As we conclude our journey through Washington, D.C., remember that even in the heart of political power, nature thrives. From the grand expanse of the National Mall to the hidden tranquility of Kenilworth Park and aquatic gardens, the city offers glimpses of the natural world, reminding us of the importance of preserving these green spaces for generations to come. Thank you for joining us, and we hope you find time to explore these natural treasures in the nation's capital.